Cricut has just updated their print then cut feature on Design Space, so let's go ahead and explore those updates. The first most exciting update is that they have changed their maximum cut size. The old maximum cut size on letter size paper was 6.75 inches by 9.25 inches, and it now has been expanded to 6.82 inches by 9.32 inches, or 17.33 centimeters by 23.68 centimeters. Now, I know that's not a whole lot, but it's definitely better than before. So if you're making a bunch of stickers, you're going to be able to get a few more stickers on your sticker sheets. If you're using an A4 printer and you're printing on A4 paper, your new cut size is 6.58 inches by 10 inches, or 16.73 centimeters by 25.41 centimeters. Now, before you go ahead and start testing out these new sizes for print then cut, go ahead and calibrate your Cricut machine. If you don't know how to do that, I do have a video on that I will leave linked down below in the description. Another thing that you're going to notice is that your printer will no longer print an entire black box around your image. Instead, there'll just be black calibration marks in the corners of your page. So go ahead and test it out, and if you are interested in learning more about print then cut, I will leave some videos listed down below in the description for you to check out, and I hope to see you on more crafting adventures.